and welcome back to my channel. I've shared my wash day with you a zillion times, but today is my puppy's wash day, Sky. I got a Siberian Husky last December, and she has been an absolute joy and adds a ton of personality to my home. And whenever someone comes over, they make remarks about how my house doesn't smell like I have a dog. I never really thought about it, but there are people whose homes I go over and it smells, you immediately know that they have a dog. So I don't know if I'm possibly doing something different in my routine with her, so I wanted to share it with you because my routine is not only geared towards keeping her happy and healthy, but keeping my home smelling fresh and clean as well. So let's get started. I wash her in the shower. And the first thing I do is I clean the shower, and I like to use the Dr. Bronner's Casfuy soap. It's a multi-purpose soap. You can virtually use it for anything. You can literally wash her with this. It has a list of all the different uses. You can wash your laundry, wash vegetables and fruit. You use it as a multi-purpose cleaner and wash your home. I like to use this because this is safe, it's organic, so I clean my shower first. This might seem a little extra, but I pre-clean my shower. On top of my own dirt on a daily basis, I consider all the chemicals I rinse off in the shower: a relaxer, Nair, hair conditioner, shaving cream, and none of that is pet friendly, so I don't want any of that to have a negative effect on her. I decided to wash her myself because Siberian Huskies have a special coat that should never ever be cut. It protects the dog from harsh Arctic winters, but also reflects heat in the summer. So considering she can't have her hair cut, I figured getting her professionally groomed was a waste of money, so I just wash her myself. You ready for your bath? You ready? Puppy girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey. Sky, come on. Come on. This way. Sky. Sky. This way. Come on. Let's go upstairs. Come on. Get brushed? You want to get brushed? Ugh. The same way I detangle my hair before washing, I apply the same practice to my dog. It's best to brush your dog's fur before bathing them. This will remove any loose fur and debris from the coat, and it also makes sure that any mats or tangles are brushed out. I got it off of Amazon. I'll put the link down below. It's made by Hertzco. I combed her about 3 times and got that much hair off. She sheds like crazy. I'm using Natural Care shampoo. I get this from Walmart or Amazon. I'm really not that brand loyal. I'll use anything that's mentioning oatmeal or honey, natural ingredients that will give a scent but won't be too overpowering for her. As you can imagine, this is definitely a whole dance we have to do. She's not fond of the shower, but it is just your standard lather, rinse, and repeat. And to the point of why I cleaned the shower, you'll see her licking every surface she possibly can. Guy, get back in there. Let me make sure all the soap is gone. I try to be very careful when I'm getting near her face and ears. If water gets into a dog's ears during swimming or bathing, it's likely you'll create a warm, moist environment within their ears that will allow for the overgrowth of bacteria or yeast. It's really common for dogs to get ear infections. So afterwards, you want to make sure you dry their ears really well too. Next, what I use is essentially a leave-in conditioner. It's actually made by Paul Mitchell. It's going to give her a little light scent and condition her hair. And just like you would with your own hair, I comb it through for even distribution. I know within my community, we do not play about dogs in our personal space, and it is a valid concern, but y'all, it's not that deep. Just clean the shower. I bleached this thing down good a couple times after she's done. As I'm washing her and hair is forming around the drain, I pick it up and sit it right there on that ledge. That's why there's really not a ton of hair all around the shower. Very easy cleanup. What I believe really sets her wash day apart is that I not only groom her once a month, but I clean all of her belongings once a month. Toss all her cloth covers and toys in the washer and just wash with normal detergent. And a little baking soda never hurt to keep things smelling fresh. Any plastic toys and bowls, I just toss those in some soapy water and rinse them off. I clean all the surfaces she touches on a consistent basis. So I remove the pen, sweep it out. Anyone with a pet knows that dog hair is just omnipresent. After sweeping, I always go back with the Swiffer heavy-duty pet dry sweeping cloths. They're made with these fibers that trap pet hair and collect dust. They also contain Febreze odor defense, so it somewhat deodorizes the area. Look at all this excess hair that either my naked eye did not pick up on or the broom alone could not sweep up. Next, I go in with the Swiffer Heavy Duty Pet Wet Mopping Cloths. Personally, I also take this opportunity to clean the baseboards. The edge of the Swiffer is perfect for just running right along the edge of your baseboards and your wainscoting. Between normal dust of the house mixed with her pet dander, then she drinks water and flings it, this area can get a little gross back here. Look at her face. She's like, wait, I thought we were done, man. Now that she's dry, let's circle back around to her. I also trim her nails. Typically treats work to get her to chill out and cooperate, but not today. Of course not when I'm trying to film it and speak to how simple it is. It has 2 different speed settings. I would suggest starting with the lower setting until the dog gets comfortable with it. You place their nail in that little compartment. Although it's a low-powered drill, it's still a drill, just like you would have one used on you at the nail salon, so you don't leave her nail in there more than a couple seconds at a time. General rule of thumb, just don't hit her nail quick, that pink area. That grinder can create jagged edges, so I go back with a nail file. Again, the same process that you would apply to your own nails. No. Don't bite me. No. All right? You got it? And lastly, Homegirl has lotion. I apply a paw butter to ensure her paws don't get dry and cracked and stay nice and moisturized. The butter combines shea butter, oatmeal, mango, coconut oil, so it smells really good, and I kind of have to fight her licking it off pretty much every time. This is the final step in Sky's wash day. I am a fairly new pet owner. If you have any grooming tips, drop those below. A clean home is a happy home. Subscribe for more home hacks. Thanks for watching, guys.